Grand Cayman, and it's Towel Animal Invasion Day. Good afternoon. I'm a little angry today here on the Carnival Paradise. I ordered a beer. I told them it was a little flat and they won't exchange it. That's just wrong. They should exchange flat beer. Sorry. Where are we going, baby?
We're not going. We're at dinner and we're ready to go.
Lobster Day. I'll show you. Hold on.
He said you a lucky girl. I
Terry got a healthy salad for her first appetizer. I got
I'm gonna see if my cousin was.
a second
Give me a
appetizer,
fight on the night of the 11th.
mushroom soup.
I'm not flying back on the.
All right.
It's his karma he gets off.
First entree lobster.
What's he been doing?
Mine's kind of mushy.
It's his karma.
Thank you.
My first one is a banana split without the bananas.
That's crazy, no banana.
Here I got
I'm going to pay $100.
watermelon.
I made
But what? Oh.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Yep.
There's the one. And the two. Good evening.
Hello.
Good tired evening.
Not for me. He's one tired tonight.
She's got a happy face.
I got a happy face.
I just got squirrely lines.
And I won $60 in the casino. Yeah.
She won 60. I won nothing.
That's why I got a happy face.
But Wanda won $10,340.
I said Wanda was lucky today.
And she didn't even earn it. It was on Dragon Link. And she didn't even fill all the boxes. Just gave it to her.
She's so lucky.
Yeah. I gave him
Way to go,
$10.
Wanda.
No, I'm just kidding.
Way to go, Wanda.
Yeah.
But
Anyway.
we had a good day, and we're going to get up early in the morning and have another good day. Right, Patrick? Except my phone broke. Now I don't have a phone.
She don't have a phone. It
My
broke.
$60 was probably.
It's like she lost her best
I don't know
friend.
what I'm going to do. He don't.
She loves her phone more than she loves me. I'll buy her a new phone.
You bought me phone? Oh, I love you. Thank you, love.
Unless the rice bag helps.
Yeah, I did
We
put it
don't
in
know.
bag.
We put it in a bag of rice.
I didn't get a new phone.
She didn't drop it in water. We don't know, but it said it had moisture in it.
I'm going to get a new phone.
We don't know. But anyway, we're rattling. So anyway, tomorrow is our last sea day. Well, not our last sea day forever, but you know what I mean, of this cruise. And then we get back home Sunday morning. Then we have to wait a whole 4 more days to get back on.
All right, Patrick.
So anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Probably for another lazy day at the pool.
Yeah. I love it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Night, night.
Why do you drink those?
So good. And I'm so happy I won $60.
Oh, boy. I'm so happy I lost more than that. Bye.